So our topic for today is all about the inverse and the contrapositive of the if-then statement. Okay, so converse, inverse, and contrapositive of an if-then statement. So a conditional statement has three related statements, and that is converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Okay, so every conditional statement again has three related statements, and these are the converse, inverse, and the contrapositive of the conditional statement. So we are going to use that pattern or this pattern to rewrite the given conditional statement as converse, inverse, and contrapositive. As recall first the converse. So to rewrite the given statement as conditional statement, just add the word if and then. Again, a conditional statement, okay, has two parts. Okay, the P statement or what we call the hypothesis and the Q statement or the conclusion. So para maging conditional statement, just add the word if and then. So this will become if P then Q. That is the conditional statement. Now, how to rewrite the conditional statement as converse? Okay, just interchange the hypothesis and the conclusion. So this will become if Q then P. That is the converse of the conditional statement. Kailan po anak pumapasok ang biconditional? Very good. If both conditional and converse statement are true, dun lang papasok si biconditional. And we are going to use this pattern. P, ano yung word na idadagdag sa biconditional? Very good. If and only if. Then write the conclusion. You understand? Okay, this time, let us proceed by the inverse. So, when we say inverse, the inverse of a conditional statement is formed by negating both the hypothesis and the conclusion, or just simply add the word not. Okay, when we say negate, yung true na statement gagawin nating false. Yung false gagawin nating true. Sino po ang ininegate natin? Yung hypothesis at yung conclusion ng ano po, ng conditional statement. Ang conditional statement natin ay if P, then Q. Para maging inverse, just add the word not sa conclusion at sa hypothesis. So this will become if not P, then not Q. That is the inverse. Do you understand? Ginagamit or ina-add natin si not after the linking verb. Okay, so when we say linking verb, okay, a verb that connect a sentence subject to a word or phrase that describe or rename the subject. O example of linking verb is are, was, were, and many more. Pero commonly, ang ginagamit lang naman natin sa statement is or, are. Ayun yung kadalasan. Okay, let us try. By the way, when we say contrapositive naman, okay, contrapositive to create the inverse of the conditional statement, take the negation of both hypothesis and conclusion. That is the inverse. So to get the contrapositive, first form the inverse statement, then interchange the hypothesis and the conclusion. Or just simply, to get the contrapositive, i-interchange natin ang inverse. Nagets po ba? Again ha, to get the inverse, sino ang ininegate natin? Si conditional. Magdadagdag tayo ng word na not. Kanino? Kay hypothesis at kay conclusion. O nakuha na po natin si inverse. Para makuha anak si contrapositive, interchange mo lang to. Yung sagot mo dito, interchange mo lang. That is the contrapositive. So again, conditional, if P, then Q. Yung inverse, if not P, then not Q. So, to get the contrapositive, interchange mo lang to. Magiging, if not Q, then not P. That is the contrapositive. Any question? Do you understand? Okay, now let us try an example. Okay, our hypothesis is what? Girls, can you read? And what is the conclusion? Boys? Okay, so or to construct the given hypothesis and conclusion to if-then statement or to conditional statement, just add the word if and Then, if P, then Q. Okay, anyone? Yes, ready dito. What is the conditional statement?
8 is an even number, then 8 is divided.
Divisible. Very good. That is the conditional statement. Now, interchange the conditional para makuha si converse naman. Yun yung topic natin last meeting. Yes, Mas Bang?
If 8 is divisible by 2, then 8 is an even number.
Okay, that is the converse. Now, how to get the inverse? So, to get the inverse, just, okay, negate the conditional. Dito tayo magpo-focus, anak, kay conditional. Just add the word not after the linking verb. Oh, what's the linking verb here? Is. Okay, after ng is, okay, add the word not. Anyone? Yes. De Pamalio.
If not 8 is
Again. If, dito anak magdadagdag ng word na not after ng is. Go.
tapos na kami.
Yes, after ng is.
If 8 is not an even number, then 8 is not divisible.
Okay, dalawang not ang idadagdag. Kay hypothesis at kay conclusion. So, therefore, our inverse is, if 8 is not an even number, then 8 is not divisible by 2. Okay, now, how to get the contrapositive? Or to get the contrapositive, just interchange the inverse. Pagpalitin lang. Yes, Marquez?
If 8 is not divisible by 2, then 8 is not.
Okay, that's it. If 8 is not divisible by 2, then 8 is not an even number. Do you understand? Another example. Okay, our hypothesis, a polygon is a triangle. And the conclusion, it has 3 sides. Okay, anak, what is the conditional statement? Very good. If a polygon is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Now, what is the converse? Agner. So, to get the converse, just interchange the conditional statement. If, basa si Q, it has, then, a polygon. Okay, very good. That is the converse. Now, how to get the inverse? Just negate the conditional. Yes, anak. Nasa likod ni Marquez. Just add the word not after the linking verb. Okay, very good. If a polygon is not a triangle, then it has no 3 sides. Class, pag nag-negate tayo, hindi lang word na not. Okay, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng no, do not, don't, didn't, not, and many more. Basta i-negate natin. Yung positive or yung true, gagawin natin false. Yung false, gagawin natin true. Question. Now, what is the contrapositive? Madali na si contrapositive kapag nasagot mo na po si inverse kasi interchange mo lang yan. Efren, what is the contrapositive? Three sides, then a polygon. Nagets ba? Again, contrapositive, if it has no 3 sides, then a polygon is not a triangle. Another example. Okay, our hypothesis. 2 angles are vertical. Conclusion, they are congruent. Anak. Conditional statement. Okay, very good. How about the converse? Just interchange the hypothesis and the conclusion. Okay, that's it. Next, inverse. Negate what? Negate the conditional. Mas bang?
If they are not congruent, then 2 angles are not vertical.
Okay, if 2 angles are not vertical. If 2 angles are not vertical, then they are not congruent. So, sino ang ininegate? Si conditional. Ang ninegate ni Mas Bang ay si converse. Mamamali na yon. Class, pag dinegate natin si converse, papasok si contrapositive. Kaya nga po hindi na tayo titingin pa kay converse kasi kung may inverse na tayo, madali nang kunin si contrapositive. Do you understand? Pero kung i-negate mo si converse, ang magiging sagot mo ay ito. contrapositive. Question. Another example. You live in Rizal. Okay, our conclusion, you live in Calabarzon. Anak, what is the conditional statement? Just add the word if and then. Then? Okay, very good. What is the converse? Interchange. Anak, ikaw naman. Interchange, baliktarin mo lang. If. Okay, very good. Next, inverse. Variabras. Just negate the conditional.
If you don't live in Rizal, then you don't live in
Okay, hindi not. Don't or do not. If you do not live in Rizal, then you do not live in Calabarzon. Or don't. Kasi ang don't ay pinaikli ng do not. Next. Okay. Milan, madali na yan. What is the contrapositive? How to get the contrapositive? Just interchange lang. Yung anak. If. Yun lang yun. Next, another example. Okay, you are in math class. Conclusion, you are in Ma'am Iram's class. Conditional. Bilyawan?
If you are in math class, then you are in math class.
Okay, very good. Peralta? Converse.
You are in Muggen's class, then you are in math.
Okay, next, what is the inverse? Coronel. Just add the word not. What is the linking verb? Are. After are, add the word not. Sino anak ang ininegate mo? Ito po anak, dito ka mag-focus kay conditional. Then, yun lang yun. If you are not in math class, then you are not in Ma'am Iram's class. How about the contrapositive? Chutorena. Nagigets na po. Okay,